Guys, welcome back to another video. It's Xavier Bright, and today we are going to be playing some Grow Garden. And if you're wondering where I am, I'm on the top of a bamboo. Okay, guys, just don't ask why. Okay, it's none of your concern. Okay, so yes, I did just jump off like a crazy person. So this is my farm. 0 likes. Like, guys, imagine that. Okay, so this is my bunny. I think its name is Bunny. Wait, what's your name? Little thing, stop eating my things. Bro, bro. What's this? What's this thing? Rilo. Okay, I have another pet. Where's my other pet? Where's my other pet? Where's my other pet? As you guys can see, my farm is very oh, little thing. Hello. Wait, guys. Oh, Etty. All right, guys. So here, right? The other day, no, I do not want to pick you up. Hello. Okay. So guys, the other day, right? I was playing and then I got a rare egg. Okay, actually, it was not the other day. It was like a month and a half ago. Guys, I haven't played this game in a while, but I forgot I had a rare egg. So let's see what I get. Give me a raccoon. Guys, can I predict it? That's even better. Oh. I need to place this down. Wait, what's your name? What's your name? Daisy. Oh my god, it's so cool. Can I hatch a common egg? What am I gonna get, guys? Another. No, you guys keep eating all my food. Can I place you down? Three. Ah, I'm selling this one. Don't mind me just selling a rabbit like a normal person. Alright, guys. So, guys, I don't think this rabbit wants to, it doesn't want to sell. Um, I have an idea. Hello, my friend. No. Come here. Come here. No. No. Stop eating my things! Pick up. Okay, now I can put this rabbit down and then I can pick it up. Let me pick you up, bro. Oh, it's a boy called Danny. Danny, I'm gonna have to donate you. It's the only way. Okay, now time to donate this guy. So let's see who's in my guys. My server empty. Oh, hello. Would you like a rabbit? Uh, hola, guys. I'm so bored. Yeah, okay, guys. I don't know. So, guys, as you guys can see, my farm is not very good at right now. I can see that. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna sell this. Okay, so guys, today I wanna focus on upgrading my farm in Grow Garden because yeah, it's not that good. Nothing to buy. It got anything to sell? I want to sell this. What? Guys, I'm confused. Okay, anyway, guys, so let's see. Oh yeah, guys, as you guys can see at the corner, I have 6.5 million. Don't even ask me why, cause honestly, I don't know. What do you guys? My stock is so bad, so bad, guys. People are watching this. You have you guys, just please. Anyway, meantime, I'm gonna buy all the stock because just bored. So guys, every time I play this game, like with my friends, even they get concerned because I keep on buying all the stock, and I don't understand what's wrong with that. And I have 3 common eggs, but problem is Wait, can you don't need eggs? Hello, mango. Mango, mango, mango. Come on, come on. But do you want an egg? Wait, can you not do I'm confused, guys. Wait, what the frick? Hey, yay. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, come yeah. Just guys, I'm just gonna see in chat. I'm just gonna see in chat. Mango. Wait, is bro watering? For me? Oh, that's oddly nice of him. I say oddly nice even though I don't know him. That's crazy. Yeah, guys. Dog, what? Guys, my animals, they are driving me crazy at this point. They will get disowned, guys, I promise. Dun 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 dun. Guys, okay. So yes. Oh, guys, I missed that. But like, what? A second. Common eggs. I'll just put down, I guess. You and you. All right. Now, time for the best part: the collecting of all of these.
So, from this point on, Xavier went on a great journey to farm like he's never farmed before. He kept taking and taking and taking and taking. His animals watched him, and his bunnies ate all his carrots. Now he was trapped in an endless loop of farming. To farm is something very beautiful. To be able to do the farming is very livid. From this point on, he never stopped farming. He farmed, and he farmed. Nothing could stop him. He farmed and then he sold. He farmed and then he sold. All day through and all day out. His animals never went unhungry, even after his failed attempts to try and feed them. They still remained loyal to him.
Wait. What's going on here?
Uh, um, aren't you supposed to be farming?
Wait, what is going on here? Wait, are you watching me? Wait, where did you get this footage from?
Don't worry. You get out.
Wait, I'll come back.
Sorry for the interruption. As I was saying, he farmed, he sold and farmed, rinse and repeat, day through and day out. He never got bored of farming. From the various things he had, from the strawberries to tomatoes to the blueberries to the corn to the mango tree, he just kept farming, farming, farming. Nothing could stop him. On this adventure, he made a few friends along the way. All those friends were fruits, by the way. But the moment he got gifted, we'll get back to that later. He knew he had determination to try and build. Wait, not build, not build. Do not listen. But farm. Farming was his destiny. Uh, no one is supposed to be here. Okay, I am back. What exactly are you doing? Wait, can they hear what? Wait, can they hear everything you're saying? Oh, yeah, that was a monologue, you idiot. Um, did you just call me an idiot? Uh, um, uh, no, what I heard is that you called me an idiot. Um, you know, take away your recording studio. This is now my recording studio. Guys, if you can hear this, do not forget that I am going to be doing a face reveal on my 70th video. You cannot be advertising this right now. Shut up. Okay. Anyway, yeah, I will be doing a face reveal on my 70th video. That is still a promise. Yeah, and I guess thank you guys for watching. This guy will not be allowed to go back to his monologue. Yeah, guys, and actually, I did stop farming. All right, so guys, yeah, I've mostly sold most of my plot, and now it looks empty. Makes me sad. But anyway, no, what? Stop! This little thing keeps eating everything. I bet it's gonna eat the tomato. Oh, okay, I was wrong. Oh, but look at my little deer, my little deer, my little doggy. Okay, I guess the bunny is also quite cute. But okay, guys, so let's see now what we have in stock. Because last time they didn't give me 4th of July shop. What? Why these things so expensive? I cannot afford none of this. I'm broke. Boy. Wait, actually, I can afford. What? Hmm. Nah. Nah. I ain't gonna do that. Cause we do not celebrate 4th of July. Actually, we do not celebrate the 4th of July. Guys, what is 4th of July even about? Because I do not even understand what it is about. Like, yeah. Guys, all this talk, I swear. Guys. 2 likes! Oh my gosh. Wait, that's how the sun looks like? What? Guys, I need to. I think I need to play this game more often. What? Yeah, just place everything there. Don't worry, they'll get along. They'll get along swell. Yeah, yeah. Oh, guys, and I think these ones are ready to hatch. But I'm not quite sure. Um, what did we get? A golden lab? Is that a labradoodle? I'm confused. Okay, next. Another golden lab. This one's big. I like the big ones. The big ones, yeah, they're Scooby Doo. Another one. Triplets. Now I have to donate all of these ones. I cannot sell triplets. That's gonna be very unfortunate. Um, hello, sir. Hmm. No animals, I see. Oh, it's a woman. Take this. What do you mean pet gifting is disabled? Okay, guys. Yeah. So I'm just gonna keep. I have to keep these for now. There's no other option, guys. But in my next video, we will see who to donate these to. Because I think Grow Garden has been in a coma. So yeah. In the meantime,
Common egg, common egg, common egg. Where are the good stuff? Anyway, time to buy all of these. 50k each. Okay. Da 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 da. Alright, yeah. Then so guys, I think this is where we can end the video. I think this is a reasonable spot to end the video. And guys, don't ask, but I'm making this at 5:10. Do not ask why a human is up this early. Okay, it's not concerning. It's normal actually. Mm-mm-mm. Now, Wingardium Leviosa. This deer looks like he's the type to say Wingardium Leviosa. Yeah, guys, I'm just so bored. But anyway, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Oh, wait. I need a reasonable spot to end this video off. Where can I do that? Okay, guys. Yeah, now this looks much more better. Okay, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and comment your favorite part of the video. And yeah, that's all for today. And I will see you guys in the next video. I'm Xavier Bright, and I'll see you in another light. By the way, sir, thank you for buttering me your farm. You guys thought I could afford that? Nope. Anyway, bye guys.